I know. I am so sorry. I dropped the proverbial football. Gala Day is a week away and I haven't given out a single prompt yet. Deduction of a gold star from your doctor. That was very bad. All of that changes right now. Over the next few days, I am going to be dropping some Gala Day video prompts for you. Full disclosure, as always, you don't have to follow these. These are just ideas for you. Anything Doctor Who that you've created, duets, cosplay, audio, whatever you want to show us, we want to see it. Flood TikTok, flood the entirety of social media, show them your Whovian side. As always, we gotta go back to a classic. The Sonic Screwdriver Flip Challenge. Here we go. One take. 1, that counts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, counts, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 86. Beat that.